Hello, boy. Good morning, guys. Good morning, guys. We ate our breakfast. And now let's pack our stuff and let's move forward. Bang soon. Bang bang. Skid skid. Gas station. Let's use the toilet in gas station because probably we will not see any gas station in 30 kilometers or so. We have now 12 p.m. and we have 10 kilometers in our score. In 1 hour I managed to cycle 10 kilometers. It's not the greatest pace, but better than nothing. Let's push forward. We have some Coca-Colas that I got from this kind person yesterday. He bought me a lot of food. I mean a lot. You can see because I put under the mattress. By the way, only today I realized that we are out of north of Norway. We crossed the line that it's marking North Norway's territory 100 kilometers ago. And now we are in the middle of the Norway. Good job. Up hills. Yeah, baby. Whew. Perfect. Some table with a bench. Let's have a lunch break right here. Hi boy. You happy now, huh? Okay, let's see what we will have for our lunch. A chocolate for sure. A chocolate for sure. And some nuts with Coca-Cola. Where is the Coke? Opa. We have now 50 kilometers and 20 more left, I think so. At least the original goal of today. This is good. Because as you saw, I came inside the shop to drink a hot cacao and they invite Sinbad too there. And then of course, like always, all people will start asking what we doing, where we cycling. I told them the whole story and we just got a free shelter, guys, for one night. But I don't need to look for any kindergarten or some place where I could place my tent. But of course we cycled today 20 kilometers less. Plan was to cycle over 70 kilometers, but we end up with 50 kilometers. I kinda wanted to rush to the Trondheim because that's where the Sinbad food is arriving, but I calculate that even with the current pace, the speed we're going, we would not manage to reach Trondheim tomorrow and Saturday. We would be there only on Sunday, and in Sunday shops is not working and post office also not working, so it's no point to rush with stress. So I just thought to myself that fuck it, 50 kilometers will be enough today, and we have like over 100 kilometers left to the Trondheim. So yeah guys, that's the story, and now we're going to eat some food with Sinbad. I'm going actually to eat some warm pizza because the owner of this shed or something like this, I don't know how to call this building, they invite me for hot pizza, so I didn't refuse that, and Sinbad will get his own food. So see you tomorrow. Good morning. What a lovely couple. I got best hospitality, tasty breakfast, some tips about the road. And now we're ready to push forward. So guys, we're changing our route because if we follow the 17 road, we end up to the E6 main road, and there is a lot of tunnels waiting, and to cross the tunnels I need to go around, and I don't want that. So what we will do, we just go parallel the fjord, just in the other side of the fjord, and in 100 kilometers from here, exactly 100 kilometers, we will take a ferry to cross the fjord. It's exactly the same distance as I would follow the main road by the E6. Actually not the same distance, because if I follow the main road E6, I would force to go around every tunnel, because for cyclists it's not allowed to cross the tunnels because it's very heavy traffic there. Trondheim is a big city, and to cross every tunnel around it would cost me a couple kilometers extra from each tunnel. So yeah, we will save some time, and also the roads here is without salt, so Simba can run on the road also, because the main roads now in the south of Norway, they are putting a lot of salt to melt the snow, so the roads would be clean and not slippery. So for the dog's paws it's very bad. So yeah guys, that's the story. Little changes. And this is the town from where we will take the ferry. It's 101 kilometers, so probably we will not reach today. For 2.5 hours now, snowing without stop. We have almost 60 kilometers and we didn't have any lunch break. I kinda had in my mind to cycle 100 kilometers to reach the ferry, but now I realize that it's no way. It's already thick layer of snow The truck's not cleaning very often here in this remote area, and it having so much downhills and uphills that it's probably the hardest road yet of my journey. But in 2 or 3 kilometers we will reach a small village, and there I will look for a flat spot where to lay down the tent, or perhaps if we will be lucky we will find some garage, like most of the time while we're cycling. Just check this out, guys. 5 stars hotel. Plus I find some power station that it's working, and we have a heater which is blowing now warm air. Nothing could be better, guys. So I found this building by the side of the road while we were cycling forward to the ferry, and I saw that some constructions happening right here, so I just take my chance to check are the doors is open, and jackpot. The doors is open, and we even have a heater with a power station, so I can charge my power bank and my phones and headlamp. I don't think that someone will come tomorrow because it was no recent tracks on the snow of cars or some footprints, so it means that this place is forgotten for some time, at least in winter time. So yeah, guys, nothing could be better than a 5-star hotel. And now we're going to eat something. Sinbad actually ate. I will just give him some water, and I'm going to eat myself because I ate only the breakfast.
Good night. Good morning. Morning time.
Whew, let's push, guys. Let's ask some water. Hello? Could I get water? Mission completed. A hydro flask. Ching. Stängd. It means that the road is closed, but for me it looks very fine. Otherwise I need to follow this road and do a big circle and go to this valley. But I think We'll try with this closed road because it looks that the trucks was cleaning the snow very recently. So hopefully it will be good. If not, we will turn back and follow this road. Okay, let's try. It looks like we need to turn around and do a circle, because it's no way I will push bike through the snow. I can see already the road where we're going. It looks steep. It looks steep. It looks that we will push. And here is the other road, going all the way up, 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 and then to the valley. So soon will be some pushing hard and sweaty. Let's move from the way. We came from that road, so I think like 150 meters incline we made. Whew, okay, let's push the bike forward. Mission completed, guys. We in the other side of the Trondheim fjord, so now we need to wait ferry and cross the fjord. I think it's like 10 kilometers to cross the fjord, so it will be super fast. And now let's check when the ferry comes. Sunday, this is from Trondheim, from Vanvikan. Sunday, and we have now 5:45 p.m. so 6:45 it's coming. Okay, we have 1 hour. 1 hour and we on the ferry, guys. And guess who we will meet in the Trondheim? Our brother from the older mother, Lars. For those who was follow me from the start of the journey, they know about Lars, but for the new guys, Lars is the guy who donated me new mattress to me when I was in Trondheim, because my original mattress gets stabbed. Some kids or some freaking weirdos just stabbed my mattress, so yeah. Lars saved my ass. Lars helped me a lot on this journey, guys. So I was looking forward to meet him for a long time now, and today is the day, guys. I hope he will make for me some tasty proper dinner. I think we will go to his brother's apartment like the last time. He's living with his brother and his one more friend that I'm now friend also with all of them. So it will be very great time to see all the guys. Last year in the end of the September we was placing the tent here with Sinbad when we was walking towards Trondheim and Nordkapp, and now we're passing this place again. What a great memories, guys. The Nordkapp seems so far at that time, and now we're going back from it with bicycle. Finish, we arrived to our town of today. We're visiting the same shops that we was visiting while we was walking towards Nordkapp. I'm getting such a good memories, and now I remember that somewhere there in 1 kilometer it's a kindergarten that I was placing my tent last time when I was walking towards Nordkapp. So guys, I just got an idea. We are exactly now besides the kindergarten, and I know a farmer living right here. I was talking with his son and with him, and I was walking towards Nordkapp. So I will try my luck and I will walk back to him and I will ask if he still remember me. If not, we're going just straight to the kindergarten. I think it's not bad idea to take a chance. Either it will be positive or negative. 50-50. You never know. But soon we will find out. Yes! Yeah! Five stars hotel, guys. It's very warm right here. We have water, we have electricity. So far so good, guys. Some salmon. Bon appetit. Today we had 54 kilometers. So it means we are 54 kilometers below the Trondheim and we're coming to the south. Finally, guys. Finally south, more sun, warmer weather, and of course less snow. And by the way, today we have Thursday, so it means that I was in Lars' place for 4 nights. I had super quality time in Lars' place with Bendik, Lars and his brother. They made every evening super delicious dinners. We laugh a lot. I tell the stories from the journey and the time explode like this. So brothers, I'm looking forward to meet you again, guys, and have some adventures together. See you soon. Yep, bike is ready to go. Carriage looks dirty, a horse dirty. We also dirty from the oil in the garage. Let's push, guys. Good morning, guys. We have 10 o'clock AM right now. Pretty cloudy, so probably it will rain. And today we're willing to reach Opdal city. It's in 55 kilometers, and if it will be easy ride, we will try to push for 15-20 kilometers further. But probably the rain will fuck up all the things. Hello, good morning. What a morning, guys. I'm pushing the bike now for 1 hour and we have only 3 kilometers and it's all the way incline. We have 200 meters incline in 3 kilometers, so it's steep and always up. Some morning exercise, I guess. I'm all sweat. Fucking shit. And that's because I can't drive through the valley on E6, so I need to take a side road, and this is the price of the side roads. Finally on the top, and now we will ride all the way down to the main road, E6. You can see there far away. Fuck, it was hard. The first 3 kilometers with 250 meters incline. Whew. 20 kilometers an hour score, and I guess it's time to use a toilet in gas station, because next bigger city it's Opdal, That's where we're heading today, and it's in 30 kilometers. Bon appetit! Nice to even have a shower. Maybe I will find something like this in Abdal. Toilet is visited. Now we will leave for Sin, but a little bit in front. And this is the end of the side road, and we're jumping back on the E6 main road. So nothing but going back to the carriage. Little bit of sun, that's good. Welcome to our crib, guys. So I was just trying my luck like always, and I came to this hostel or campsite or something in between, and I just told straight to them the story, what I'm doing, and I just asked her they could give me some discount of this room because I'm for a very long time now on the journey and I'm very broke. I told them the truth, you know, the real situation, how it is, and they told me sure, jump in. So we got big discount, plus in this room is dogs not allowed, that thanks to the good owner of this campsite. And now we're going to eat and sleep, guys. We have today 55 kilometers, I think so, or so. By the way, we reach Obdal city today. It's like 100 kilometers from the Trondheim. So moving forward, little by little, but at least not backwards. So yeah, guys, let's see you tomorrow and enjoy your warm and tasty dinner.